everyone. Our topic for today is about electronic mail protocols. So, what is email protocol? Email protocol is a set of rules defined to ensure that emails can be exchanged between various servers and email clients in standard manners. So, ang email protocol ay paraan ng mga tuntunin para maayos na ipadala at matanggap ang mga email sa iba't ibang server at email clients. Why do we need email protocols? Email protocols define how the email message has to be encoded, how it needs to be sent, received, rendered, and so on, and hence they are essential. While email protocols make the process behind emails a bit complex, that protocols ensure that emails is standard, reliable, and universal mode of communication. So we have different types of email protocols. POP stands for Post Office Protocols. Email clients use the POP protocol support in the server to download the emails. This is primarily a one-way protocol and does not sneak back the emails to the server. So, ang Post Office Protocol ay isang paraan para makuha ng email client ang mga email mula sa server. Hindi ito gaya ng synchronization kung saan pareho ang laman ng email sa server at sa iyong computer. So we have example. So this diagram ay nagpapadala at nagtatanggap ng email. Ginagamit ang SMTP para magpadala ng email mula sa sender papunta sa server ng receiver. Tapos ginagamit ang POP para makuha ng receiver ang email mula sa server papunta sa kanyang computer. So next we have IMAP protocol. IMAP protocol stands for the Internet Message Access Protocol. IMAP protocol is used to sync the emails in the server with the email clients. It allows to sync of emails between server and the email client while the emails are stored in the server. So, ganito ang simpleng paliwanag sa proseso ng pagdating ng email. So, email delivery process. Number 1, paggawa at padala. Gumagawa ka ng email at pinapadala mo ito. Number 2 is SMTP server. Ang email mo ay dumadaan sa SMTP. So, number 3, internet. Ang email ay naglalakbay sa internet. Number 4 din is server at domain. Tinutukoy kung saan ang email address na natanggap. MTA server. Ang email ay narating na ang server ng tatanggap. Number 6, so user account. Nakasave na ang email sa account ng tatanggap. Pagtanggap. Binabasa na ng tatanggap ang email gamit ang IMAP or POP. Sa madaling salita, ang email ay naglalakbay mula sa iyo sa server at pagkatapos ay sa receiver. Last, we have SMTP, stand for the Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Is the principal email protocol that is responsible for the transfer of emails between email clients and email servers. So, ang SMTP ay ang pangunahing paraan ng pagpapadala ng email mula sa iyong email app papunta sa server. So email clients and email protocols. Email clients use mail access protocols like POP or IMAP protocols to retrieve, sync emails from the server. Basically, mail access protocols are used to download or sync emails from the server. Email clients use transfer protocol, the SMTP protocol, to transfer or send emails through the server. These protocols are quintessential to ensure the users have the independence to use the email application of their choice. on their own device. Email clients depends on these protocols to send or receive emails using a user account that is created in a email server.